In the last couple episodes of How Tight Are the Slot Machines in Lake Tahoe, we kicked things off with the unforgettable joy of checking into Caesar's Republic and being greeted by a full-blown dog symphony. Because who doesn't love barking as background music? We managed to win a little on the slots, then hopped across the street to Harrah's for a roller coaster of yay! And why did we do this to ourselves? And now, because clearly we love pain, we're marching over to BALLY'S to test our luck yet again. Are the slots at BALLY'S going to be chicken ass tight or magically golden egg loose? Stay tuned for the chaos.
It's not even snowing either.
It's freezing.
Welcome back to a new episode, everybody. We're going to BALLY'S. We have $500. We're playing 5 machines, 100 each. We're gonna see what type of bonus we get and cash out.
Let's go. Ooh, it's cold. We can also do like 200 in the machine, right? Like a higher.
Yeah,
Matt?
200. But we're just playing.
See what comes and feels like.
Yeah.
Lucky. Oh.
Woo!
Now it's warm.
BALLY'S. Let's go get a player's card. I put in $100 into double top dollar, and we're gonna try to go $2 bets. It's not bad. Here we go. Oh!
Almost.
Cherry, got my bet back. Oh, we got
Wow,
10.
10.
Double. There it is. Boom. Hey. If we get those across, it's $800. Cherry.
Got top dollar.
All right, let's see what we get here, everybody. First offer.
25 bucks. What does it say? It says try again. Second offer.
$20.
It says try again. Third offer.
Oh, I'd like to
$50.
take that. $50? Yeah. Let's take
What
it.
does it say? Why does it say try again, or is it broken?
It doesn't say. I'm taking offer. I'm taking it. That's the first 100 in. Hey! 139 out. All right. Double top dollar. Thank you so much. Ta-da! Keeping this one. We have $400 left. Now it's your turn.
My turn. 3 lines.
Okay, so
Oh, that's $15.
this game here is Power of Red Sparkle. Konami game. We have $105 in there. This is the second 100. I have $5 free play in there. So if we did 5 lines, it's $5.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yes. There we go. It's $5.
Where's the money showing?
The money showing is right
here.
there.
Okay. Diamond.
Diamond. Winner paid 2.
Diamond. I'm looking for 5 lines, but I only see 1. I don't understand. Is it 1 line or 5 lines?
5 lines. 5 lines. Bar. Hey, you got your
That's
bet
only
back.
5.
That's it?
Yeah, just
That's not good.
Bar. Are we doing? Okay, I'll do 3.
Ooh. Ooh. Now that you change it. What? Oh! That would have been 60 credits, $60. One more. Hey, you won.
Cash now. Cash out. Cash out.
Oh, second 100.
Thank you.
122. We are low rolling. It's okay. We're just testing it out. There you go.
It's $5. It's not a roll. I'm just not gonna lose it. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Everybody, this is our third 100. Third 100. Half rate, pos rate, Dragon Link, 1 cent denom, max bet. We got 20 spins. Here we go. Miner's 50. Ring, ring. 550 back. You want to play that game after?
He's already playing.
Oh! Almost. You know what I noticed about max betting is that the numbers are really high
Yeah.
and you get the bonus round. Usually you get it easier. Nothing was happening.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, snaps. Hey.
Lucky chance. That's it.
Snaps. All right. That was the third 100. Almost got it. She wants to spend her the fourth 100 on bubble crabs. Here we go. $100 going in. Nice history.
Yeah, it's a good history.
Spacing in between the uglies is good. All right.
Okay, so $3 bet. Let's just do past life.
And it is a 9.
And we're going to pop the 9. And then it's gonna be a 3 across. I'm just gonna do that for now. And then press.
10. 9. 4.
So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. I am scared.
Okay. $12 pays $23.40.
Oh, 127.
127.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So it's time to lay.
It's time to lay. Yeah. What are we laying?
Laying the 4.
Lay the 4, but the 4 came.
Lay the 5.
Lay the 5.
5.
Whoa, 12.
12. Good for the bonus.
There's no
I know there's no bonus. 11. Good for the bonus.
Gosh, there's no bonus. That 11 and that 2. Okay, let's see here. Ah!
Shouldn't have put the 3 out there. You won $1.90 on the lay. There you go.
No,
Yeah, 126.
I did. All right. Keep going or we're done?
That's up to you. Get it to 150.
All right, let's see one more pass line.
9.
Another 9. Right?
Yep. Back to 90. Full press. Full press, 3 hits and cash out.
Now?
Yeah.
Buy, place. Set that's on, like that. And then, like that. We are gonna hop, like so. And then that. And we have $18. Where do we want it?
4 and 10.
4 and 10.
15.
15.
$8. That 4 and 4 on the 6 and 8. Make it 16.
4. Like that.
Yeah.
All right.
Here's 1. 5.
Keep going.
You're hopping for $8, so they didn't break that much.
All right. Let's not hop.
Nope.
So we have $14.
Hard ways, $1.
All right. Hard ways for $1.
5
$5 here.
on the 5.
5 on the 5.
There. 5 on the 5.
5 on the 5.
There.
There.
And then 10. Okay. Here's 2. 8.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Repeat, press it all on the 8.
Repeat last
Or
round.
split it between the 8 and the 6.
And the 6. And the, like this.
Yeah.
And $2 C&E.
Sure. Last hit. Shouldn't have said that. Oh, good job. 6. There we go.
Clear.
We're at 134. That's our 400.
We're not at 150 though.
Oh.
Cash out.
All right, that was cool. I saw this game earlier. It's called Buffalo Gold Collection. We have the last 100 going in there. $3 bets. Here we go. Oh. Maybe I gotta press a knob. What's that? Oh.
Can we do this or not?
3 coins, please.
Buffalo.
Oh! What'd I win?
150 times 6. $9.
Coin. Buffalo! Oh, 105. Coin. Buffalo! Oh! Are we done?
We said 25%.
Oh shit, it's okay. That's it, everybody. We have to stop it at 25, so we're gonna add up the totals here.
We're learning self-control one more time.
Yeah, because we're just trying out games. Okay, so 500 here, right?
Yeah. Oh, not bad.
Is that it? I'm looking in my pocket to see how much. Okay. Oh, Oh,
we
yay!
won $21.
A win is a win.
Win is a win. That's a pretty hot machine though.
Yeah, it is. We should have just put $200 in here.
We should play it down to 500.
Okay. I'm down with that.
Oh, come on. I just boosted you. What the hell you doing, Buffalo? Times 2.
What's
times
that?
2 what?
Nothing. $2. Buffalo!
Buffalo.
2 more spins. 2 more spins.
Last one. Last one. Cash it out. Oh, okay. Well, one more. Oh.
3 times multiplier. This game's fun. Go! Oh. Okay, so we didn't lose money here, everybody. That's good enough. Good choice. We just left Bally's, as you can see behind us, and we are going to the Royalty Poops Golden Nugget. We are continuing $500 here to see which one of the 4 casinos did us well.